हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। आज हम यहाँ पे जनरल अवेयरनेस के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे जो टेक्नोलॉजी, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं। ओके, और ये जो जीके के क्वेश्चंस है सभी एग्जाम के लिए कॉमन्स रहते हैं, तो यहाँ पे अपन स्पेसिफाई नहीं करेंगे कि एग्जाम के लिए। लेकिन अभी जो करंट में एग्जाम्स आ रही है वो है यूआईसीसी और जीआईसी, तो उसके लिए अपन यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन क्रिएट कर रहे हैं। लेकिन ये जो है वो सारे लोग देख सकते हैं, जिसकी भी जीके के क्वेश्चन है वो सभी के लिए कॉमन रहता है, ऐसे कोई डिफरेंस में नहीं आता है। तो जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो, ताकि नोटिफिकेशंस तो आपको डायरेक्टली वीडियोस मिल जाए। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है अपना, व्हाट इज सिलिकोसिस रिसेंटली सीन इन द न्यूज। तो सिलिकोसिस क्या है? अ रेस्पिरेटरी डिसीज। ओके, नेक्स्ट सेकंड, व्हाट इज कैलिफोर्नियम रिसेंटली सीन इन द न्यूज। तो आंसर इज अ हाईली रेडियोएक्टिव एलिमेंट। Next, third, which organization has recently initiated project to evaluate microplastic contamination in food product? Answer is FSI. Next, fourth, recently which institution has developed new method to study the sun magnetic field? Answer is Indian Institute of Astrophysics. Next, fifth, instant inic encephalitis means EEE recently seen in the news is caused by which pathogen? Answer is virus. Next, six, what is astenilide? Answer is recently mentioned in the news. The answer is synthetic organic compound. Next, seventh, recently a fragment of rare meteorite discovered in which province of South Africa? Answer is Eastern Cape. Next, 8. Which institute has recently conducted research on nanozyme for ensuring collagen integrity? The answer is CSIR, Central Leather Research Institute. Okay. Next, Mcqs crater recently seen in the news is located in which country? The answer is Australia. Next, 10th, what is the name of supercomputer recently launched by Prime Minister of India under National Supercomputing Mission? The answer is Param Rudra. Next, 11th, Murine typhus that was recently seen in the news is caused by which agent? The answer is bacteria. Okay. Next, 12th, what is Cyanur habitats elegans? What was in the recently news? The answer is nematode. Next, 13, which institute is home to India recently proposed cloud chamber? The answer is Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorological. The answer is okay. Next, 14, laser interferometer space antenna mission in collaborative project between NASA and which agency? Space agency. The answer is European Space Agency, ESA, NASA and ESA. Next, 15. What is the primary cause of scurvy disease which was recently seen in the news? The answer is lack of vitamin C. Next, 16. Which institute has developed new non-toxic molecules for treating Alzheimer's disease? The answer is Agar Research Institute, Pune. Next, 17. Chronic wasting disease, which was seen in the news, primarily affect which animal? The answer is deer, elk, and moose. Next, 18. Equine pyrophlammosis, which was seen in the news, is caused by which agent? The answer is protozoa. Next, 19. Which institute has developed new biodegradable foam to address plastic waste in packaging? The answer is Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Next, 20. Which institution has developed strong string representation of nanopore geometry, a novel language for nanopore research? The answer is Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Next, 21. What is ferropothies? Answer is a full form of regulated cell death. Next, 22. Genetically modified mosquitoes were recently released in which country Africa to fight malaria? The answer is Djibouti. Next, 23rd. Recently, the researchers of which country developed teeny wooden satellite named Lignosat? The answer is Japan. Next, 24. Recently, which state or union territory had declared human rabies a notificable disease under the Epidemic Disease Act 1897? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Next, 25. Which IIT is recently collaborated with NASA to study multi-drug resistance pathogens on International Space Station? The answer is IIT Madras. Next, 26. Recently, scientists from the Physical Research Laboratory have discovered 3 new craters on which planet? The answer is Mars. Next, 27. Which organization recently witnessed genetic jets over the Himalaya mountain? The answer is NASA. Next, 28. Recently, which country has successfully developed and certified CBEX-2, new explosive that 2.01 times more than lethal than standard Tinotolius? Okay, the answer is India. Next, 29. What is APOIS recently seen in the news? The answer is asteroid. Next, 30. Who has been recently awarded with the 2024 Leif Erikson Lunar Prize? The answer is ISRO. Next, 31. What is E. coli recently news? The answer is bacteria. Next, 32. Which space agency has recently announced a mission to study the aforementioned asteroid? The answer is European Space Agency. Next, 33. What is the primary objective of NOVA, NUMI of axis where appearance experiment recently seen in the news? The answer is to study neutrino oscillations and properties. Next, 34. What is Parkinson disease recently seen in the news? The answer is a progressive neurological disorder. Neurological. Next, 34. Legionnaires disease recently seen in the news is caused by which agent? The answer is bacteria. Next, 36. What are biosurfactants recently mentioned in the news? The answer is surface active molecule produced by microorganisms. Next, 37. Recently, which institute developed cyanide sensor to enhance safety of water and food product? The answer is Kerala University. Next, 38. Recently, which country has issued a healthy advisory due to concerning rise in the case of parvovirus B19? The answer is United States. Next, 39. Which element are generally used in the atomic clock recently seen in the news? The answer is cesium. Caesium, sorry. Next, 40. Taiwanium 3 mission recently seen in the news is associated with which country? The answer is China. Next, 41. Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope recently seen in the news is associated with which space organization? The answer is NASA. Next, 42. Bulava intercontinental ballistic missile recently seen in the news is developed by which country? The answer is Russia. Next, 43. BHEL, okay, recently signed an agreement with the Research Center for Hydrogen Production using alkaline electrolyzer system. The answer is Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Next, 44. Recently, researcher of which institute has developed a novel and safer method to mass produce recombinant proteins? The answer is Indian Institute of Science. Next, 45. Which country recently sent smart lander for investigating the moon? That is SLIM. The answer is Japan. Next, 46. Recently, ISRO collaborated with which company for sustainable space exploration through additive manufacturing? The answer is Wipro 3D. Next, 47. Which space organization recently developed computational fluid dynamic software named Parvavaha? The answer is ISRO. Next, 48. What is the primary objective of Phenom India project? Phenom India project recently seen in the news. The answer is to develop Indian specific risk prediction model for cardio-metabolic disease. Next, 49. Which are the primary objective of study recently launched XPOSat, that is X-ray polymeter satellite by ISRO? The answer is neutron star and black hole. Next, 50. Which company has recently announced an initiative AI Odyssey to skill 1 lakh developers in India on AI technology? The answer is Microsoft. नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो रहेगा वो अपना मॉक पेपर रहेगा प्लस सब्जेक्ट वाइज क्वेश्चन भी अपने यहाँ पे सॉल्व करेंगे। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू।